Motherfucker ain't got no gas, no compression, ain't got no damn spark. Brakes and shit loose. These little motherfuckers done fuck this one up.
Hey, she might be the little baby mechanic. The other one might ride. She might just fix on the bike.
These motherfuckers done brought this thing in. Ran it half the shit. They ain't gonna do nothing but tear it up as soon as I get right back to them.
Tear it up.
Little Day, little Nene. They ain't do nothing but blow goddamn engines all goddamn week. Get this motherfucker right. Straighten it up, shit. They done got the damn handlebars all bent. Fucking shit up. God damn, I'm about to fall. About to fall in this shit. I'm trying to straighten shit out here. Y'all sitting around thinking shit funny. These motherfuckers ain't paying me enough for this. Hell. Let me go around this goddamn bike and see what the hell going on the other side of it, because you know they don't know how to take care of shit.
Shocks. But my baby checking, boy.
Yeah, everything alright. Brakes a little loose, but you know, shit. Alright, shocks alright. Shocks good. Shocks good. Alright. They ain't been jumping this week. Last week they came in, whole front wheel was off.